Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you the vector art of Superman. It is a part 2. So if you have not watched the part 1, check the video in the I button here, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe and press the bell icon for further notifications. I will draw the front part of the red cape of Superman. I am doing this fast so some white part is left. Do this carefully at home so that no part is left uncolored. Now I will draw the blue suit of the Superman. Now level it down so that it is under the skin and the red cape. Now time for the shadow. Zoom in and make a rough outline for the light shadows. Now duplicate the skin and selecting both the shadow and the skin, press Ctrl plus asterisk. Now change the color of the shadow. Then level it down under the lips. You can add more shadows to look it better. I have added one for the darker shadows on the left and around the nose. Change the color. You can add shadows around the darker part of the eyes. Just follow like this. I will change the color of the eyes as it is looking too dull. I will make it darker. Now add shadows in the blue suit. Again the intersection. Duplicate the main blue and then selecting both, press Ctrl plus asterisk. I will add background now. You can give gradient colors if you wish. I will add a light orange yellow gradient. Now time to export the PNG image. Remember to unlock all layers before exporting. Choose selection here. Change the width and height according to your choice. I'll change it to 4000 and click export as. I will name it Superman 2 and save it in the desktop. Click save here and press export. Our Superman vector art is done. If you like this video, subscribe now if you didn't yet and press the bell icon for further notifications. You can watch other Inkscape tutorials in the playlist.